He can't get locked up.
The blood clot.
Him anywhere and go, anything ain't doing can't get locked up. Yeah.
Can't manage your son, I have to leave.
Alright, we soon go back to it, but I have to do it privately because what happened, I copy the lyrics and email it so it come out all in one when it's supposed to be separated. And it's gonna take me a little time to deal with that. Want me, Roger? You converted yet?
I bling as my thing there. I bling as badness I work with. One bling as badness. You think me I work with your badness? You think you can take me away? I bling as bad me I work with. You think you can romance me?
Welcome to the buckler.
Stand done. 18 rows, chat. 18 rows. Everybody.
No, I can't finish. Voice it. But just no one take up in a time. Let me hear what you have and let me fix this meantime. Roger, what you say? Alright,
You wanna hear that?
yeah. When I deal with lump sum, romance scam, enough your man, romance scam, private jet, watch plane land. Jonathan, just take the first chorus and put it for the second chorus left in there.
Alright.
And take out the chorus and make
Put it all out?
watch plane land, iPhone. Must have to get one. Because the scammer them, you know, them always tell you to bring an iPhone. To the house for mommy.
Hey, you know my feel you's an informer.
Eh?
You's an informer, I know you work with feds.
My man don't care because when me talk about him, nobody not believe me, so him not care. The thing about me, you know, I'm not believable, so me can't say anything I want to say. Nobody not take me on. Them just like I say it's a script, so nobody now come look for him. So that worked for me and against me, because when something really hurting me, nobody believes. I'm a drama queen. Headphone, call up the prophet. Call up the prophet. Like I love the song.
A little bit more ear with you with feeling.
Alright, not get enough crutches.
And you know a long time I make fear song them a turn in a clown.
Turn up
I just know.
bad man people.
You know which song them you do over like wait name there?
Enough of them should dance too.
Them nice. I know them from me and Miguel.
The way I love Ivan, I don't even care for them. I don't care a
I
fuck.
know them from me and Miguel.
Mona Lisa. Let me tell you, Mona Lisa. One bling as badness, I say no.
What TikTok fish there? Where lion? Look like me have to go swing back your way in a lion.
Bling as badness where I work with.
Huh? Where lion, the original man. How him there? Now go take the highlight off of Seven Lord and give it back to you, yeah? You don't know lion? Roger? You don't know lion?
How name sir?
Rotted. Me thinking they get famous.
Is one boy you did that try boss?
Yeah. And the boy when me bring pan line is just try, give him a break, you know?
You did that try give Seven Lord a break?
Oh yeah, because he's fucking talented.
Your piece of what go on.
Of course. The boy can come on the platform if they have potential. Really and truly, mother like Seven Lord to make it still, but nothing there with him. I don't want to back with him. I just want to see
I
him.
didn't know what they back with you. Tell me the truth.
Maybe I don't think he want to back with me either, because he can't go around me. I'm not no man for mine. I rather other people buy the ticket and...
You know, I bling as your true blood clot. I bling as your problem, you know. It's
No.
bling as your problem, you know, Mona Lisa.
Oh, one school. Thank you so much, Kenrick.
I will never see you come until blingers buy the ticket, you know.
I've only buy the ticket and a blinger.
I blingers keep the show up.
Yeah, but there's something about me. Oh, you know, you say Maria about
Me
people.
buy the ticket. You hear Maria Blinger tell me for buy because she didn't want to go look for him down at Bahamas and the man say Amari have too much links in the Bahamas. If you come to Bahamas, it's gonna be problem for me because Amari have some man down there when So then Blinger say might as well me could go Panama. And Blinga said, me buy the ticket for go to Panama, but the one if you go to Jamaica, I got
I accept the match.
why in a go to Jamaica, I'm a go to Panama.
I'm smart because him always tell me for ripping off.
But I never know who buy the ticket for true.
Him do it by himself. I don't care. Remember I say I'm hustling, you know, him have to do what him have to do. And if you don't have the money, if you give him, you know, give him. When I'm business with that, I don't fight over cock.
Mara, between me and Steve, I feel that boy that work here good enough because we on me see on him.
The boy said never fuck her yet.
He never fuck me yet.
Oh Lord.
Romance scam. Me never fuck him. I don't know if I'm a man or a woman.
But I'm very confused sometimes.
Yeah,
Yes, she are confused. She are confused. We know me here, so next time I there, so.
yeah, you say you never fuck me, so I agree with
And
you.
I mean, say sorry.
When me a fight with the man for, remember I know, why me fi mash up him life? Remember I know, him realize say him still love him the mother. And them a try to make life. So if he go to her, and he say he never sleep with me. Why me I go say him did sleep with me? For him end up with nobody. Him don't lose me.
Okay.
He take him off of my hands back. Why me fi go mash up that and mess up my freedom? Why me fi mash up that? No, me never sleep with him. It was just an artist thing.
Roger, that's the romance scam now she try to tell him. Say him and her plan a romance scam.
The song are telling her everything. The baby mother is a hater. She and Seven Lord planned the romance campaign Amari. So of course him have to tell her say never sleep with the person where she send him for scam.
Thank you guys for the follow.
You know,
Nice.
realize they are bring us people. You know, don't ever see what go on. Romance scam. Me and him never the man.
I feel that the new body we bling us do a hurt your head.
18 roses, guys. Come on.
There is no competition.
And the people that over Amara jump sides. Come on, jump sides and catch the
I
speed.
feel that
You know,
bling
some
us
Miss
new
Bling
body.
as somebody when we respect the friend
Come on.
still, you know.
And you talk about Miss Bling us so? Are the
Of
new body?
course.
The
Come
new
on, guys,
body.
let's jump over to Amara.
I will curse you, but me not stop love you. Miss
Miss
Bling,
Bling us body are mad yo.
Miss Bling, I can't mad me.
Miss
Because-
Bling us curve in her waist. And the pretty face we are mad them for days. It's killing you.
No man, if Miss Bling I want get fuck. If him want to suffice fuck for everybody around here, what me fi do with that?
Bling us no want
Everybody
it.
just have to wait and get them turn. All them
Bling
are
us no want
going to
him.
end up with Amari Pum Pum Juice.
Bling us no want him.
No man, you know take him. No, seriously, I don't care a fuck. That's how confident I am.
Guys, double tap.
You know, so me and my man sit down in a bed and laugh after the whole line, you know.
That mean them laugh off of Vani and she send him 300. Vani, you hear? Fuck her, yo. You hear that laugh? No, she a laugh off of your Vani. Yes, you said the girl are wicked. She cut Jesus slides.
You know, I have no idea what's going on. All I have to do is apologize to him at the end of the day. A long time, my man tell me say for robbing you know. My man, I not go talk.
What you said?
A long time him tell me for rob them.
Good night. That's how Hilly. How are you, Lady Hilly? How are you?
A long time. My man said, Mary, my man said, Mary, look how much contacts you have. Look how much mail you not answer upon Facebook. Him say you need to answer the mail them and you need to ask for money.
Guys,
He said,
don't
Mary,
answer
you're
the
not
phone.
supposed to not have no money. You're supposed to go after everybody and get money. Me not choose to do it. Him choose to do it. Make him go on. If he wants to say something
I
bad
just
about
said it
me
because the
and
boy
get the money,
don't.
make
Yeah,
him
you
go
want
on.
mash up the look away him forget. Are you saying this true? You know the boy no want you back and you try mash up him future?
Listen, I swear on my 13 kids and
How
my
much?
life. My man is a
How
chopper.
much kids?
13.
One whole of football field and one.
Right.
Royal number.
And I just swear on them that my
One
man is a
football field
chopper.
and one.
And my man know exactly what he's doing. He will spin this story and work it for his own benefit.
Are you a spin the story and work it against him?
What may I get from this? My man have $15,000 on him TikTok. when I spend, when I touch. And that you know. 15,000.
The man not even know about the kinds them, so I'm fair 15,000.
Me said the man have 15,000. That's the type of sure. Me not gonna say nothing more.
Which TikTok him still get that 15,000? Because we never see him in the rankings yet. You can lie.
This TikTok.
You just catch you up, say you can lie. $15,000.
15,000.
It's over 1 million coins. I never see that man they get them amount of coins. And that is a lie. Barney,
my man's very smart. You don't know him.
Barney, lie she a tell.
Yeah, I lie me too. 15,000. Him say he wanted for buy him car. So I see one day.
Maria lie like sure. Not if I want to like it.
Unless it pile up. Like him get one little.
Yeah, not we don't have to see him in the rankings.
No,
even one
man
time, that's over 1 million coins.
Let me tell you something. If somebody my man,
him not even there on TikTok so long. A lie, Maria tell.
All right. Am I gonna scam me no bad enough?
Why not? $1,500, $1,500, I'm have.
And my account, him not use for try get the money off. Remember, I never have no ID before, I'm going to get him in passport. Him still can't get the money off. I try to use my Chime account to get the money off. And Mr. Seven Lord, at the end of the day, who going to pay the taxes on it? Him not like when me talk the truth. You understand? I say, Seven Lord, you have all this money and you don't even want to contribute nothing towards the traveling and nothing. Himself in car. So I don't stay there.
So like when want you for collect it female, shall collect it man and take it?
No, him have the Chime card and him change the email, him change the phone number, him change everything for the Chime card and him take away my ID. So the Chime people them ask for my ID, for me upload my ID, for them listen to me, them not listen to me because them are listen to him. Him have the ID where them accept. Which is my Florida ID.
So why
not put me on a lie detector test? My man good enough. My man mother knows say I'm a chopper. My man brother a chopper. My man chop people already and buy land. That's why I say build a house per mommy capture land. You know, notice what Maria say, go back to the lyrics. And listen, my man have him up your man. You seal him up. That's when him tell you to give him money, you have to give him. My man, what him do?
$300 for buy the ticket.
Yeah, what my man do? Him take your picture. Him take people picture. Then put the picture upon an altar. Like Ivan the picture. Put it upon an altar with candle, oil and everything. And tell the dopey them say make Ivan spin.
Jesus Christ,
you understand? And as a matter of fact, it's a other man. It's a other man named, I don't call no name, but it's a other man. Bring my man in the scamming business. The other man tell him to put up a TikTok account and go after people. And I happen to be one of the people them that was on
the me alone years now for the exam.
So when me say Ivan or Bling, it's like me I try to tell them, say, listen, this is it. Me go deep in me investigate so when me round him, me learn everything. Me lay down on bed and me listen to old people. I said, please, I don't have no money. I only get my social security. I don't have no money. And my man changing voice like a woman. And when I talk to them, him say, hello, this is, him call himself David Goliath. Him say, hello, and go on TikTok and say how much David Goliath you say. Him say, hello, this is David Goliath. I'm going to tell you exactly what him say. Him say, this is David Goliath. You have just won $1.5 million and a Mercedes-Benz. Yeah. And him said, there are certain fees involved. You will have to pay the fees in order for it to be delivered. And then he tell the people them to go buy a card where you like fill. and he tell them figure buy it and call him with the information. And my heart hurt when I heard one old lady said that she don't have no money and she have to bring her husband for dialysis. And all me for name Amari and accept those wickedness. Sometimes Western Union money in baby mother pick up that. They work as a team.
One per person. So Amari, what are you saying? It's only when him started scam the old people that know you start to feel it. But
I think it the most. Because you know, you're the man, woman. You see things, you have to act like you don't see it. You understand? You hear things, you have to act like you don't hear it.
You don't see it now. Oh, you see it now.
You understand? No, I've been saying it. But I'm saying it hope that you know we understand.
Oh, you been saying it. Act like you.
No, man, I say it all over.
You're contradicting yourself.
Listen.
Your contradiction level is high.
Okay. What may I have to gain from this?
Yeah, because the boy left
right
you.
Now, may I sit down?
He left you take your things and never fuck you.
Okay. Hear what you say. It's Bahamas. No, me left him?
Yeah, the boy take your things.
And me left him. And me fly out first, you know. So
yeah,
what
you don't get no fuck. If you bring the man go Bahamas and he not fuck you, you don't must fly out.
So Amari,
yeah.
where baby seven take my 3 bills and do it now. So basically, he paid me and scam me.
If you bought him the ticket, you would have done the right thing. If you send him the cash, you make a big mistake.
Oh no, we said bring her the cash and bring her buy the ticket for him.
If you buy the ticket, him fail.
So bring her just come in and say she on her way to Panama. And if you want to join the line when she reaches where he is, them a link up.
No, she just wants to be a part of what's going on. Me no business with them. Let me tell you something. If Blinger, if him can rob Blinger, me sorry for no, because she's a woman. But if she want to go get fuck and get robbed, one. Stop her. Me can't stop her. All me know say God save me. Because after you get fuck and you get and you spend up your money, you might go give you some raw slick.
Guy,
That's next.
Oh, my beat her, him beat woman.
Me not tell you that's why me left him.
But think you try defaming character, so you not get the body.
What?
I think you're trying to defame character because you never got the dick.
Oh gosh.
So Mari, I have a question, right? So like how you said, you never get it before, and you know you guys was together, but you guys not together no more. Is it a case where if you wanted it, you could get it, or on just?
Me can't hear you.
I was saying.
Can't hear you, Ivani.
Yeah, hear me now?
Hello.
Wait.
Hello. Jonathan.
Yeah, hear me.
Not hear you.
Yeah, hear me now?
You not hear
nobody.
You not hear me. Liatel. Liatel, you hear we.
Hold on. Where you saying?
You hear.
Yeah, hear now?
Yeah.
I was.
Roger, stop it on the
Yeah.
So, Mari, I was saying that, right?
You come like when Seven Lord rub up himself with the bleaching cream. It just turned me off. The bleaching cream.
Turn you off, but you could never get this, baby. This is too much for you. You can never get this.
Seven Lord, you stay in our bed with me and stink.
You could never get this.
Stink on him.
It's this, them as fragrance are bigger than you. You sucker. You could get this.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So, Mari, is it so like when you said you never get it before and whatever, is it a sense where if you wanted it, you could have get it, or it just never got that far? You feel like it just
seriously,
you could have get it?
Seriously. You never really feel say, I know my man.
The boy said never fuck you yet.
Mari, you just say I know your man, so what would you believe? It's like
I act stupid. What happened to you? 3 growing on my face?
Yep.
No, but you said you didn't get it. So me I say maybe you never want it. So
Badness, you know where
I
or not?
can't call a man my husband and every fucking thing. You know, say man look ring for married to me.
I believe you because he told us that you
You see,
are
Okay,
the man right, oh, him love me in the sun. People
A
A
say,
trick, a trick. The ring is for 10 grand and him want 50 from you, so he make 40 buy the ring for 10.
Ask Destiny. Ask Destiny for my man. Several are saying never sleep with me yet.
who name sir?
Come here, come here.
I daughter.
Tell them.
That's what you said to them.
Yeah, come here. Yeah, them say me never sleep with several.
They believe that dumbass shit. I believe that.
You think you run with all along?
Who run away? Run away from what?
From the madness, man, a long time. You're still there.
Okay, ask Destiny about him. I ask Destiny why me and him not talk right now.
Destiny. Baby Lord. When name baby Lord tell you.
Here.
When Seven Lords under Amari, he turned into a little baby. Amari. You wake up in the middle of the night, he need Amari to tend
Could have cussed. Blood clot.
So me and him there, Destiny.
like where y'all used to be together. What you saying?
Him saying never did.
So,
Amari in love with Amari. Amari can't even go home because he's over there losing his mind over Amari.
That's why I'm taking my passport because
That's
him
why she
in love
can't
with
go
me.
home.
Him take the passport at Jamaica and him take the green card at
He's
Bahamas.
obsessed.
Him obsessed. I want to you
So
know.
you think good?
So Mari, yeah, me want to company life, you know.
How you mean if it good?
Wanna share the lot, wanna share
Like
the
him
lot.
obsessed, so your thing of a really good.
More than good. Remember, she had 13 kids.
Hey, you don't
Why
talk,
you
you
think
don't
so
know
I
if it
read
good.
so much?
Her husband gave her 6. One man gave her 6.
Probably she just easy for breed.
Everybody knows him. I said a lot of my husband. Everybody knows.
Everybody.
Not only TikTok must not know that. Everybody knows him.
So that you put on the ring.
And play the song where him write for me. You want to hear the song where him write for me? I want to, you know.
Let me get it.
It's your only business cause
Yeah, your daughter work together, she a pad the
you
bill.
only use your for the music.
Yeah, your daughter work good together, she a pad the bill.
come, Amari, accept the match and play the music.
Mari, so me go call him, you know.
Call him now.
Alright, I call him pretty
Call him. That's why I don't want him. Because anybody can call him. I know that the time.
Yeah, you know what Vanny call him now.
Yeah, I want a man where you know have him number, nobody know have him number. Easy. I know that the type of man. The Mari must be the only one where call him.
Call him for you?
Call him, I don't care.
Alright, me go call him. Come do.
Oh, me did it. It's in my archive.
You know.
Oh, people so fool.
That's not even.
That's stupid.
They want